This is the story of Jacob, an old carpenter who learned a powerful lesson about faith, integrity, and the work we do for God. Stay with us as we unfold this inspiring message that could change the way you build your life. There was once an old carpenter named Jacob who worked faithfully for a wealthy man for over 40 years. He built beautiful houses with great skill, always ensuring they were strong and perfect. But as he grew older, he decided it was time to retire and spend his remaining years with his family. One day, his employer called him and said, "Jacob, before you retire, I have one last request. I want you to build one final house." Jacob agreed, but in his heart, he was tired. He didn't put in the same effort as before. He used cheap materials, rushed the construction, and skipped small details, thinking, "This is my last project. It doesn't matter." When the house was finally completed, he went to his employer, ready to say goodbye. But to his shock, the employer handed him the keys and said, "Jacob, this house is my gift to you for your years of hard work." Jacob was speechless. He realized that if he had known he was building his own home, he would have done his best. But now, he was left with a house full of flaws, a reminder of the shortcuts he took. Moral lesson: many times in life, we treat our faith, work, and relationships like this carpenter's last house. We cut corners, neglect prayer, and don't give our best to God. But one day, we will realize that what we build is what we must live with. The Bible says in Colossians 3, verse 23, "Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters." Let us build our lives with faith, honesty, and dedication, because in the end, we are the ones who will live in the house we build. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. May God bless you as you continue building your life with faith and integrity. Thank you